Let's do a food review of the potato pancakes, house-made applesauce. Now, I need a beer too. We're gonna go ask them. I don't want anything raspberry. We'll go with that Weissbier. It has some, but it better be syrupy. If I'm disappointed with that Weissbier, I'm gonna scream. So we are going for the potato pancakes with house-made applesauce. We're gonna get this Weissbier here. Weihenstephaner Hefe Weissbier. Let's go. Okay, so now we're doing a double review. We're doing toasted pretzel bread topped with a Black Forest ham and melted cheese. I couldn't resist. Okay, friends, we are having some technical issues. However, I think we got the main gist of it here. We got the Hefe Weissbier, which should be hopefully a little smooth and syrupy. I think that's what we're gonna taste first. We got the potato pancake on the right. We've got the pretzel with the Black Forest ham on the left. Let's taste the beer first. That is beautiful. Beautiful Hefe Weissen, has a little syrupy taste. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes, get the Hefe Weissen. It is syrupy, a little sticky already. I can feel it. So that's what typical good Weissbiers are. It can be a little syrupy, to have a little sugar. Thank you. All right, so let's go after this pretzel with the Black Forest ham. Oh my, that's really good. Let's move this beer out of the way. First taste of the pretzel and ham is very tasty. The cheese is rich. Pretzel's not too salty. Excellent. Let's go after this potato pancake. We got a little applesauce on top. I could use a little salt. The beer helps with the saltiness, so there you go. Just drink the Hefe Weissen with it. And that syrupy, that sweetness will season what you're eating nicely. Still would like a little salt. I'm not gonna add it though. The beer is fine. Again, the Hefe Weissen, that is amazing. I could drink like 5 of those right now, but I won't. So getting back to potato pancake. Had a nice hit of it here without the applesauce on top.
Good evening.
And
in just 10 minutes,
yeah, it's better. Like, it doesn't, just the applesauce lacks seasoning.
A dazzling display of fireworks, stunning special effects, and sweeping original music. Due to lower light levels during the show, please watch your step and take small children by the hand. Get ready, because tonight's performance of Luminous, the Symphony of Us, begins in just 10 minutes.
That pretzel with the Black Forest ham is amazing. Wow. You know, as far as richness, like the cheese is very rich. It's not the most rich thing that I've ever tasted here at EPCOT, but it's amongst it, it's there. Oh, the cheese is dense. Let's see, now without the ham. Okay, so it looks like they kind of cut the bottom part of the pretzel off, or at least there's just a huge layer of cheese at the bottom. I think that's what it is. Oh man. So we had a bit of a glitch. I'm gonna go over all this again, which will be fun. This pretzel ham cheese app is amazing. Pair it up with the Weissbier. Incredible. The pretzel's not too salty at all. Now, as far as seasoning, I would personally probably add a little salt to the potato pancake. But as we go through this pretzel, it's so good.
Good evening. Tonight, we invite you to join us for Luminous, the Symphony of Us.
The cheese is so rich, but not overly rich.
That you please watch your step and be sure to take small children by the hand. Tonight's performance of Luminous, the Symphony
This Weissbier pairs up
will begin in just a few minutes.
perfectly with both these dishes. The potato pretzel, the potato pancake. The applesauce is a nice addition, counterbalance, but you know, it tastes, it's a little bit bland. It's like, give me some cinnamon in there. And I'm sure there's some. Give me more. Give me more. Getting back here to the pretzel. It's good. I'm enjoying it. The cheese, the ham, this is a great combo. Luminous is starting.